with a resounding round of applause, make welcome formally the Vice President of the Republic, His Excellency Alhaji Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia.
On the 26th of April 2018, His Excellency the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana was at the Health Summit and mentioned the drone that he has gone to Silicon Valley and met Zipline International. His Excellency, ladies and gentlemen, on that same day, exactly at 2 p.m., a memorandum of understanding to work together with Zipline International to use drones to deliver blood and blood products, and as well as some 148 essential medicines, including vaccines, to hard-to-reach areas and on emergency occasions, was signed in the office of the Vice President.
No person in the future would lose their life because they couldn't get access to basic medical products. And that vision, that mission is what ultimately led us to creating Zipline, which uses autonomous instant delivery, autonomous aircraft, to deliver medical products as quickly and efficiently as the internet delivers information. And when we were starting that project, we went and spoke to a lot of global experts, and all of those experts told us that there was no way this would work. They assured us that it was impossible. So if you had told me in those early days that before too long I would be standing here with Ghana's Vice President, Minister of Health, visionaries in healthcare and logistics globally, and that we would be about to launch the first aircraft to serve a local hospital, I would have told you that you were dreaming. Mekase moso daye. So I'm here today not just to launch Zipline service in Ghana, but also to honor and thank the Ghanaian leadership who made today and the future ahead of us possible.
This is the vision of the MPP-led government under the wise leadership of His Excellency, the President, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. I'm very confident, Mr. Vice President, that this decision of resorting to technology to aid the provision of quality healthcare of our people needs to be highly commended by all. This revolutionary healthcare service will help save lives, decrease waste in the system, and increase healthcare access for more than 15 million people across the country, most especially remote areas that are very difficult to reach. As you may be aware, our mission at the Ministry of Health is to contribute to the socio-economic development and the development of a local health industry by promoting health and vitality through access to quality health for all people living in our country.
Countries who have made impressive strides in their socio-economic development and other development have done so not because of what the country has, but because of what the country knows, ideas and thinking. This is what it is now. Zipline came as a result of somebody thinking. It came as a result of our president and vice president sitting down and said, we need change. We are going to disrupt the status quo and bring a new innovation. They got Keller and other people to come. So we're here because great minds got together. But let me just say this. It's said, among other things, that this will be the greatest, largest in Africa, maybe in the world, for better health, for more prosperity. This is going to change our lives. But one thing also is the machines, the drones, the technology are not going to do it by themselves. We need people who are going to be committed. That has been the problem of our country. Committed workforce. Genuine, sincere people who work to make this thing work. Talk about Tafu when they dropped the vaccine in the blood. I'm trusting that the nurse who took it brought it where she was supposed to bring it, used it for what she was supposed to use it for, and a life was saved. There are people who are sitting here today who may be hearing us who will think, well, we're going to disrupt this by stealing the blood. The blood will never get to the table where the doctors need them. In this country, a whole drug warehouse in Tema disappeared. Let me say it in Tree. Nia on penka swobiano or in the pabone ebefo. I dare say a bay onipa bi ebe say no na ye makwan na now do adwin vice president ba umi adwin any minister any at the papa akwan so ya yenim de biada enipa wu asire ne ba owu esiaden oni moja yenya moja nko but I mean catch minister any yenya ne say enipa ena madwuma wie peyo enti nipa ye Ghana force ye domain yi se ne ye dono ne ma na nado ni je so hu ne ekwamu dia yenya dwuma ho te yenya committed.
We are gathered here today to launch another unique intervention of the government of Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, which is expected to see significant improvements in our emergency health delivery system. The President sends his warmest regards to the elders and people of Omenako and to the Ochenhene, Nana Motia Oforipenyi II. The President would have wished to be here himself, but other matters of state have prevented him, and so I stand in his stead. Personally, this is a very, very exciting day for me. It is only just about a year ago, in fact, it's just 2 more days to a full year, that I had led a team to the Silicon Valley where I met with Mr. Keller, the CEO of Zipline, in San Francisco. And at the end of that meeting, I was very convinced that we needed to have Zipline in Ghana. When I came home, I reported to the President about this meeting. And he said, let's get on with it. Let's get this technology for Ghana. And it is just 2 days to a year. So from that meeting in San Francisco, within a year, we are here to launch this zipline program in Ghana. Getting to a time like this has taken a lot of teamwork, a lot of hard work. And I would like to congratulate the Minister for Drones, our Minister for Health, Honorable Kwekwe Menu, and his team from the Ghana Health Service, led by the Director General, Dr. Isia Sari, then the Chief Director of the Ministry of Health, Sir J. Mensah, and various committees that have worked hard, the Parliamentary Subcommittee on Health, all have worked so hard and remain focused and dedicated in ensuring that the use of this important technology is now part of the health delivery architecture of our country. The agreement I think we have is all the other 3 sites will come live this year, and we will see about further expansion. I urge you all to lend your support to the project so that we will all see it change the lives of our people. In particular, I again want to express my thanks to His Excellency the President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo for his vision in making sure we have had this project come to life. I urge you all to continue to pray for Ghana, to support Ghana, and we will get up to the stars and beyond.